Hi friends and welcome back. Our today's word is docile. Its spell is D-O-C-I-L-E, docile. So let's pronounce with me docile. Docile. Not to mention here that docile is an American pronunciation, while in British you will pronounce the same word as docile. So both are correct and you can pronounce the word in both of the ways. Docile is an adjective which contains three meanings. The first one is easily handled or managed, such as a gentle old horse, docile and obedient. The second meaning of docile is willing to be taught or led or supervised or directed. For instance, the docile masses of an enslaved nation. And the third meaning of the word is ready and willing to be taught. For example, docile pupils, eager for instruction. If someone is docile, he is easily taught or handled. If you suddenly become a troublemaker in class, your teachers would long for the days when you were sweet and docile. Docile comes from Latin root for teaching, docere. So someone docile is easy to teach. A docile student is willing to be taught and a docile animal is easy to handle. If you behave well and do what people tell you to do, you are a docile person. Docile might be a word of praise, but it can also be a criticism of someone for being overly submissive. The Urdu meaning of the word is tarbiyat pazir, taaleem pazir, ya islah pazir. And to some extent, it is also meant for attachwar. Moreover, the words that you can use instead of docile are amenable, compliant, submissive, tractable, and obedient. On the contrary, the opposite words for docile are defiant, rebellious, willful, unruly, and baki. Now let's have a look on its usage in a sentence. As we have explored three meanings of docile, so we will look into three sentences in which the word will be expressed in each of sense respectively. So the first example we have is, unlike a horse must begin training within a few days of being born in order to be a docile animal. In this sentence, the word docile is used in a sense of easy handling. The second example we have is, it was hoped by employers that the new working class would be more docile and amenable than the old. Here the word is used in a sense of willing to be supervised or directed. And the last example we have is, children are amazingly docile and compliant, obediently following the instructions of their elders as if they know no other way. And here the word docile is used in a sense of ready and willing to be taught. So that's all for today. Keep practicing the word and suggest me the derived terms of docile in the comments below. Furthermore, don't forget to visit our FB page because there you can find the reading material of all the previous and upcoming vocabs. So see you tomorrow with another amazing vocab. Stay with us and have a blessed Friday.